Hello everyone and welcome to this video today. Friends, I will show you how to use Tabby a first time. This is the Tabby guys, the website official. The first step you should be in get the app or download the app. Just scan this code, QR code, and then download the app on your mobile if you want to use the Tabby on mobile. This is the first step guys, and you can sign up free. And you have guys two options here, featured the store. If I click view all, from this section you see all the store guys. You have categories of store, electronics and fashion and beauty. If you want to get electronics from here, so guys click on electronics, and then you have a lot of deals you can get through this Tabby. If you use Tabby a first time, just click get deals and you can get this. You can shop with Tabby with IGB. This is the IGB store you can use with Tabby. Just choose any item you want to purchase. This is the first one guys, and then you have a card guys option. You can take a pay and for anywhere, and you have protection your purchase. You have a way to pay. You have a Tabby card here guys. You can also get your Tabby card. Just scan QR code and you can apply for a Tabby card easily without any problems. This is the checkout. Just click, you can click get pay, as you can see here, and you can use Tabby easily. You have a statement. You can see all activity, also your plan through Tabby, and you can get monthly statement, and you can apply it after purchase. You can change your payment with Tabby. It is easily and more flexible guys, and you can also earn 5% cash back. You have a lot of things guys. You have a free credit card here for flexible every day, plus this 49 IED per monthly. It is best for rewards. So guys, you can use all these things. You can use Tabby on the store, on Banggood. You can use just get deals. You can use Tabby also to Banggoods, and you can earn rewards. This is the Tabby card guys. It is a good option for you for first time you can use. You have also guys you shop support option, contact. You can have a good contact support. You can check, for example, payments. This is all about payment, how to make payments. Your account, you can check or referral. You have account management, and you have also referrals. You can refer your friends. This is the Tabby guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content.